Finding a good TV stand is frustrating. You want something that looks expensive but doesn't cost a fortune, or maybe you just need a stable mount because you lost the original feet. Everyone looks at IKEA, but I actually bought and tested the top 5 competitors on the market to see if you can get better quality for your money. I put these together to see which one actually deserves a spot in your living room. Product number 1, 63 TV stand with power outlet. First, I put together this 63-inch mid-century modern stand. The walnut finish looks surprisingly high-end, and when I slid the doors back and forth, the track system was buttery smooth, no rattling or getting stuck. My favorite feature during the setup was the built-in power strip. I plugged my TV and console directly into the stand, which kept those ugly cords off my floor. The 6 storage compartments are deep enough for bigger books or game cases, and the adjustable shelves let me customize the space. The assembly was fast, taking me under an hour because the parts were numbered correctly. It feels sturdy and not hollow like some cheap particle board units. If you want that stylish Mad Men vibe but need modern plugs for your gadgets, this is the one to pick. Product number 2, GAZHOME TV stand. Next, I tested the GAZHOME stand. This one is for anyone who loves that rustic farmhouse look. When I lifted the panels, I could tell the MDF was dense, and the X-shaped metal frame makes the whole thing feel rock solid. I sat on it to test the weight limit, and it didn't budge. It can easily hold a 55-inch TV without bowing in the middle. The open shelving is great if you have gaming consoles that need airflow so they don't overheat. It took me about 15 minutes to screw everything together, which was a nice relief. The wood grain finish feels textured, not just a cheap sticker. If you want something that feels heavy-duty and fits a cozy, rustic living room, this GAZHOME unit is a steal. Product number 3, Sweet Crispy TV stand dresser. Then I tried something different with the Sweet Crispy stand. Note that the drawers here are fabric, not solid wood, which makes the unit much lighter to move around. The coolest part is definitely the LED light strip. I synced it to music using the app, and the lights dancing to the beat completely changed the vibe of the room. It also has a built-in charging station with USB-C, which is super convenient for charging phones while watching movies. While the fabric drawers aren't for heavy tools, they are perfect for hiding cables, controllers, and snacks. If you are setting up a dedicated gaming room, a dorm, or a bedroom and want that cool RGB look on a budget, this is the most fun option. Product number 4, Universal TV stand. Switching gears, I looked at this universal tabletop stand. This is for when you lose your original TV feet or just hate how low your TV sits. The tempered glass base is heavy and glossy, giving it a premium feel that keeps the TV from tipping. I mounted a 50-inch screen on it, and the best part was the height adjustment. I could raise the screen high enough to fit my soundbar underneath without blocking the picture, which was impossible with my stock TV legs. It also has clips in the back to hide wires, keeping the setup clean. It works with almost any VESA pattern. If you don't need a full furniture piece and just need a sturdy, adjustable base to sit on top of your existing dresser, get this one. Product number 5, 5 Arcom Universal TV stand. Finally, I tested the 5 Arcom large TV legs. These are heavy-duty. The steel is tomb thick and you can feel the quality immediately. It's rated for 150 pounds. I used this on a massive older TV I had, and the wide feet kept it completely stable. Unlike the single base stand I just mentioned, these are 2 separate legs, which felt safer for larger screens up to 86 inches. I liked the non-slip pads on the bottom. They gripped my table tight and didn't leave scratches when I adjusted the angle. Assembly took literally 10 minutes. If you have a monster-sized TV and you're terrified of it toppling over, or you just need to replace wobbly stock legs, these are the strongest support you're going to find. Whether you need a full entertainment center with hidden storage or just a rock-solid mount for a massive screen, one of these will solve your setup problems. I've dropped links to all of them in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.